Hello everyone, my name is Kavya and welcome back to another video. So this video has the most beautiful bold makeup look, so must watch the video till the end. So let's move into the video. So I start. So before makeup I have already a CTM on my face. So first I'm applying concealer on my eyes, you can see.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
And now powder pack with sponge and brush. And now I'm choosing brown color for cut crease. Then I will apply black kohl.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around the.
And this is liner, so I'm applying liner from inner corner like that, and then waterline.
Go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
And now I am doing eyebrows. And this is highlighter brush. So I am applying highlighter. And then foundation. And then powder pack all over face.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left, the storms we chase.
And then contouring cheek and jawline and nose.
Waste what's left, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now I have applied blush and highlighter. Not much, not too much. So this is final look. I hope you have enjoyed my video and thank you for watching.
Finding life along the